So if you find when you're opening the doors, it like shows on here because it's been from the CAN system that they're swapped, come into like settings, you'll be into here, into like setting guide, and just turn this rear door tip onto like negative, and that should flip it around. If you don't want to see that like stuff at all, you can actually just turn it off here, and that'll stop the doors actually showing up on here. So that's how you do that. After you've done it, you can press up the top here, like save and reboot, and the unit will restart.